Are you ready to add a burst of flavor to your pre-roll line? Imagine your customers' delight as they enjoy a burst of flavor with every puff. That's the magic of our Flavor Pearl Tip cones, where innovation meets taste. Welcome back to the Custom Cones USA channel, home of the pre-roll experts. Today we're diving deep into the world of flavored pre-rolled cones and how they can be a game changer for your business. As anyone in the cannabis industry knows, standing out in a crowded market is key. And if you're looking to expand your product line and take advantage of a growing consumer trend, offering flavored pre-rolls is a great option. Now with our 84mm Flavor Pearl Tip cones, your customers can enjoy a burst of flavor with every puff. These aren't your average pre-rolls. They're an experience waiting to happen. We have 8 mouth-watering flavors to choose from. Vanilla for the classic connoisseur, watermelon for a refreshing twist, mint for a cooling sensation, strawberry for a touch of sweetness, cherry for a bold kick, berry mix for the adventurous, grape for a fruity punch, and mango for a tropical escape. So how do these flavored cones work? Consumers simply crush the flavor pearl bead located in the filter between their fingers. This releases a burst of flavor that doesn't just linger on the lips, it enhances the entire smoking experience. The filter also contains the word squeeze, so your customers know how and where to release the flavor. But great flavor is just the beginning. These 84mm pre-rolled cones are crafted from the finest, ultra-thin European rolling paper. So thin, in fact, that it's practically transparent. This ensures a slow, even burn for the perfect pre-rolled joint every time. At Custom Cones USA, we know quality and safety are paramount. That's why all of our pre-rolled cones are rigorously tested to the highest standards. We go above and beyond, testing for pesticides, heavy metals, and microbials. And yes, we have all of the COAs on hand for your peace of mind. Our 84mm cones come with a 26mm filter and are designed to fit seamlessly into all standard pre-roll filling machines. They'll hold about a half a gram of flour, making them perfect for any production. The unique experience of crushing that flavor pearl will keep your customers coming back for more. It's not just a product, it's a reason to choose your brand again and again. These cones will help diversify your product line while giving your pre-rolls a premium look and feel. So call the pre-roll experts today for pricing and learn more about how these Flavor Pearl Tip cones can take your pre-roll line to the next level and keep customers coming back. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.